making a tornado. Oh, yeah, with water. Yes. Woohoo!
One more time.
Yeah, one more time. That's a perfect one. Also, if you're wondering how we did this, you just like put two cocoa of those like. It's not
One
working.
more.
Yeah, you put like those cocos and then you dig a hole, like dig a hole between it. You actually can use a knife to do it. You can also use a knife to do it. It's so perfect. Yeah.
Okay, this is a pretty short video.
No, it's already 1 minute. That's not short at all.
If you like our video, please subscribe. And
Subscribe
hit like.
and smash the like button
We have
and
more
for some more tornado
videos coming.
videos come. Maybe the last one. Whee! This one's perfect. We haven't even failed once. We're so lucky today. Yeah, this is just